Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Samsung Microwave CDO error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having this issue here or the error code CDO is appearing, well in this case there is something that you could do to basically solve this issue. So first things first, what does the actual error code here actually mean? So this is directly from Samsung themselves. So the CDO error code here means that the touch keys were pressed for more than 10 seconds. But it could also mean that there are going to be some issues on your door, or your door has some malfunctioning, or your actual door is faulty. Now, in this case, if that's the case, there are going to be a few things that you can try. So first is you want to inspect the door lock here. Now you want to turn off your microwave for safety reasons, and you want to inspect the door latch here to ensure it's still in place. Now if you do notice that your door latch here is not properly placed, it's not locking your microwave, then in this case that's the cause of the issue itself. Now again, check around the door keys opening where it's locked and locks into your microwave to make sure it's nothing is stuck. So if you do see some dirt, some food stuck in there, you want to make sure to clean it up. Also, you could try resetting the touch keys. So you want to unplug your microwave again from the power source here and clean the touch keys. Now, in this case, clean the touch keys using a soft material. Make sure it's completely dry before proceeding, and plug your microwave back in and check if the error persists. But yeah, so those are the things that you can try here to probably solve this issue. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.